안녕하세요. 오늘은 또 도시를 옮겼어요. 산 크리스토발이라고 하는 곳이고, 이 배낭여행자들이 굉장히 오랫동안 쉬어가는 그런 도시거든요. 물가가 워낙 저렴하기도 하고 날씨도 덥지 않고 좀 선선하니 괜찮네요. 여기 오려고 버스를 13시간 정도 탔는데 버스 안에서 친해진 친구들이 좀 있어요. 근데 그 친구가 오늘 워킹투어 같은 게 있다고 해서 무료라 그래서 같이 가자 하더라고요. 그래서 지금 그거 가려고 미팅 장소로 가고 있습니다. 그 전에 빨래 좀 맡기고. 이게 저울에다 무게를 달아서 그만큼 값을 내는 거예요. 올라 런드리? 멕시코에서 코인 빨래방을 잘 못 봤어요. 시티에는 있는데 1kg가 조금 안 되는 것 같죠? 아, 조금 넘네요. 1점... 모르겠다.
¿Su nombre?
nombre.
¿Sí?
아, 킴.
Kim.
miel.
Mañana.
mañana.
¿Sí? 4.
4
Tarde, ¿sí?
pm.
¿Sí?
4 pm.
¿Sí?
36 pesos.
36.
Muchas gracias. 36페소 나왔네요. 내일 오후 4시에 찾으러 오래요. 일단 지금 살짝 늦은 것 같으니까 좀 뛰어갈게요. 도시가 너무 예쁘죠? 여기 조금 오래 머물지도 모르겠는데? Hello.
Hola, buenas. ¿Sería para llevar? ¿Takeaway?
Takeaway. Sí.
Permítame.
이 마들렌이 3개에 50페소인데 한국 커뮤니티에 호평이 그렇게 자자하더라고요. 그래서 하나 사볼까 해요. 여기 제가 좋아하는 것들 다 있네요. 되게 싸다. tres madeleines
50 pesos.
50.
¿Esto? No.
Muchas gracias.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. 일단 만나는 장소에는 다 왔는데 파인애플. 파인애플 먹고 싶다. 여기 있는 이 십자가 앞에서 만나기로 했거든요. 또 나만 일찍 왔나? 되게 늦었는데. 저기 있네요. Hey. Hi.
Hey, hola. ¿Cómo
Hola.
estás?
Do you mind? You? I bought some Madeleine. You know Madeleine?
No? What is it?
Like French. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, nice.
Do you want some?
Yeah, I want to try it.
Yeah, it's like super popular in Korean community.
And take the half,
See.
then
You
you
do
can share
it?
it with others.
Pardon?
You do it?
No. I bought it. Do you want some?
Okay.
Oh yeah, I like it.
Oh, fuck.
You like it?
How you say thank you in Korean?
감사합니다.
¿Cómo?
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Yeah.
Here, oh, fuck. Wow, it's amazing.
확실히 맛있네요. 한국 사람들은 역시 믿을만해. 진짜 맛있다 이거.
During this time today, we're going to know part of the past, part of the present of the city. We're going to visit a panoramic view of the city. My name is Mire, I'm from Mexico.
Douglas, US.
Yes,
Antonia from France.
and every week they have different things. So please have a seat.
술도 주네요. 한 사람당 2잔씩 마시래요.
A ver si Peter.
Forgot. Yeah, that's a break. It's a okay, let's say. Right, IPA.
It's nice.
Sweet.
Sweet.
That we make the
I think so. It's really mild.
batches of
It's
beer,
sweet.
so we were
It's dark.
Thursday.
And 비가 내리기 시작했어요. 시간은 이미 끝날 시간인데 또 어딜 간다는데 모르겠네. 어디 가나?
But the punch that we're gonna try today is made of corn. So that's totally different to most of the distills you're gonna find here in Mexico, because most of them are made from agave.
술만 먹여.
Like the well known tequila. First of all, smell it, and then we're gonna just give it a kiss. Just put that drop in your lips so you can feel the sweetness of the corn actually. ¿Qué tal? How was it? Good? Strong? It's the word that I hear the most, so yeah. We're gonna say the word colaval. Colaval means thank you in Tzotzil Maya. Okay, so we're gonna make a toast for anything you feel thankful for in this moment. The best way to drink, inhale, drink, and then let it go. Okay?
숨을 먼저 들이마시고 콜라발.
Good face. I like that.
Right, actually.
Good, right?
45도라고 하네요.
This one is made with hibiscus, with Jamaica. It's only 18% alcohol because it's a liquor, and it's actually hibiscus is also really good. It's medicine. It's antioxidant.
This one smells.
You can feel it from the smell, so it will be totally different than the person we had.
Smells like juice.
Like juice, exactly.
Yeah.
It's like cranberry juice. That's delicious.
It's a little
like
bit
it.
like
I'll have a bottle.
It's pure medicine. You can see the texture of it. It doesn't even wanna go out.
이거는 점도가 더 높네요. 초콜릿이 들어가가지고
Oh, it's cacao. It's hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate? So we love that.
야. 이거 완전 그냥 초콜릿인데?
Smell it, feel it. This has more body obviously than the other. Just kiss it. Small French kisses one. Enjoy. And
French here.
Colaval.
Oh, yeah, it's cool.
엄청 달고
How was that?
근데 꽤 세네요.
Thank you so much.
What's your budget to travel without earning any money at the same time?
$50,000.
50. Okay.
50,000.
Yeah.
It's quite huge money, right?
Yeah, it's about 4.5 years. Wow. So you had this in mind for a long time. That's so cool.
Then how long you gonna travel?
Doesn't know.
Longest there's
Are you gonna
no money
spend
left.
all the money?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
right. For me, it was really not easy to make the decision to book then finally the ticket. It was always so in my hand and I saved it, but finally say, okay, I quit my
Take the
job
step.
and I sell everything. That was really not so easy because everybody in my age start to build houses and get married and stuff like that, and I'm like,
You're going the opposite way. But it's nice, you know, because we each have our own path. It's nice to do it because it builds you up. Yeah.
And it's not like we're not doing nothing. So
Exactly.
I'm here, I'm learning Spanish. I felt guilty in the beginning, and now I'm good with it. But in the beginning, it was a lot of worries. And I also wondering why so many children work here.
Ah, that's so bad.
The
Like
Mayan.
even Mexico City begging with their child, like with an instrument, children's playing
Yeah.
it was so sad.
I try to give whatever I can because
Uh-huh.
we have so much more than that.
Yeah.
And they're just trying to survive, and it's
I really want to help them, but if I give them money, I feel like more like children's gonna be used for that. Just what I'm mad is their parents made decision to make them work on the street. It's just
but I don't
disgu-
think it's a decision. I think they don't have a choice.
If I have kid, whatever happened to me, I'm gonna work hard for my kid, right?
Yes, but it's your Korean way of thinking.
Yeah. But
You
I
haven't
can't-
been living in the mountain with them for decades and generations, and I think it's their way of living. And I think as tourists and as Westerners or Easterners for you, you know, anyway, people who have enough money to afford to travel and to come to their place, it's nice to observe and not judge so much because we don't know what's going on really in the end.
There is a huge gap, rich people and poor people in Mexico. It's really
Yeah,
huge.
I think so.
Carlos Slim, the one of richest person in Mexico, he's richer than Bill Gates. And
Is this possible?
yeah, like poor people are super poor here.
You're very right. This is in the scale of Mexico, but if you look at the world in itself, it's exactly the same thing.
Yeah.
We are part of the rich people,
That's also
and
true.
there are like so many poor people than us.
Positive thing of traveling is when we live in our country, we always look up there. So and we feel like I'm really poor.
Yeah.
And there is so far away to go. But when I traveling in this kind of country, I feel really happy. I'm
Yeah.
really blessed. I was born in Korea with my parents. Really appreciate of my parents. I'm kind of lucky. I just born in Korea and they just born in Mexico.
There's nothing you can
Yeah.
do. I think the more you travel, the more you see that, the more you become generous and you open your heart and you share more. And traveling is a lesson for us who have money, you know, and this is the positive things. I wish more people would travel from Europe or, you know.
I feel like the more like poor country I go, people are kind more.
Exactly,
than-
and that's what is crazy. They have a heart, those people,
Yeah.
like bigger than us.
I talked with a girl from Costa Rica that I want to stay in Costa Rica for December, Christmas and New Year's Eve. And after 10 minutes she invited me to her home for
That's
Christmas.
great.
Such a important family thing,
Yeah.
Christmas. And she invited me, she knew my name and where I'm from, not my age, nothing.
Amazing.
No COVID, I wouldn't come to Mexico.
Exactly.
More and more, I'm thinking about to come here with my father with motorcycle.
Ah, yeah.
It would be really nice. One day, my dad said he was born in cosmos. He didn't look around, even small planet, right? And he said it's sad. So I decided to look around the planet. That's why my channel is Cosmos Traveler YouTube channel.
Ah, your
is,
YouTube channel is called
Yeah.
Cosmos Traveler.
Yeah, that's
That's a
Because of
really...
your father.
My dream is like world travel with my
Yeah.
father.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I could never do that with my dad.
I spent 10 days with my mom in Portugal in June this year. I mean, we had a good time. We were very close, and I really appreciate that. But
It was challenging.
yeah, sometimes I just needed to be quiet.
You know, it's actually very nice for me to be with you tonight because for the past stay inside because I don't want to spend money, you know. And today I was like, okay, I need to get out. So I was like, okay, free walking tour, I'm gonna meet people, you know, and it's to learn Spanish by sticking with Mexican only. And in the end, we didn't have any deep conversation, you know. Everything was on the surface. Speaking with people, like meeting, like tonight, like to me this is like amazing. I love it. Girl from Germany, guy from Korea.
You're the first Korean guy
Really?
I met here. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too.
Is it?